Ayan. Yung dalawang dalawa kong kapatid. Si Rambo. Ay, Rambo. At saka si Roxy. Uy, nagpapapansin. Nagpapapansin si Roxy. Ay, kaya mo aban. Ay, sorry. Nauntog si Bebes Cafe. Ayan, dyan sila naka-standby. Hay! Ay, malandi. Pinapakita. Huh? Buti pa si Rambo, kalmado lang. Rambo is just calm. But for Roxy, yeah. She's showing his what? Roxy! Come on. Say hi. Say hi. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, nako. Dito na sila nag-standby sa kama ko. Marami ng garapata. Baba. Rambo, baba. Roxy, baba. Uy, masunurin. Wow. Masunurin. Good boy and good girl. Wow. Yung isang nagpapapansin sa atin niya, oh. Ayan. Ay, Roxy, haan. Roxy, haan. Gusto na naman niyang pumunta doon sa kama. Ewan ko ba, gusto nilang mag-standby sa kama ko. Siguro butterfly. Ayan. Ay, naku. Hala. Ay. It's not gonna. It's not gonna, Roxy. Kasi baba. Baba. Ay, baba. Ito yun. Roxy. Ano lang natin yung binigay ng paggabi. Ito tira lang namin. Nabati nga lechon manok. Papainit ko lang. Para itong mantika isasabaw ko sa pagkain ng aming mga aso. Ulam ni Indiano kasi paborito niya.
I'm having egg, fish, and this Lechon Manok. Okay, this smell has gone to some 3 people.
Has?
3 person. I will tell you who is that. See here down.
You call the black one is brownie.
Brownie, not black. Nescafe.
She is tired of it already for waiting. How about that? You
Rambo.
tell
The
one
white
by
one.
one. The white with the chocolate. This.
Rambo. Both of them tired. When you
Who's tired? They are still
waiting, but the way they are seeing me, eat fast and give me some.
brother. Could you eat very
Roxy
fast?
is very tired. His eyes is like something iffy.
Where is it? Brother, could you eat faster? Allah, the other one.
That's the sound is like that. Heavy breath.
Because they're too much slow and they're waiting. They are waiting for the tree.
Hey. See, they want to eat. Almost they want to catch. But when I'm eating, no, nothing. They cannot do anything. They are scared to me.
Hello guys, see? Wow, ang cute. Yung pag-upo ni Rambo, oh, parang police dog siya. Oh, hinihintay matapos si Indiano kung na kumain. Ay, so my God, too. To wait. This one say, okay, I will lie down first for a while. I will lie down first for a while. Loko. Ayan. Tignan mo yung isa, oh. Talagang masarap. Yung parang kalabasa na sili. Katatapos lang niyang mag-work. Need niya, bago siya matulog, need niya kumain. So, ang ulam niya, how about Rambo? You have this bone. How about the brown thing?
Hey, my God.
How about the brown? Give. He's waiting too eagerly. The treat. How about
Hey.
the other one?
No,
This one.
Rambo.
No, Darcy. How about Darcy? Give a little bit for Darcy, the egg. A little bit. Oh, this one you don't like already? This? Give this one. Darcy. The sick Darcy. Isn't it? Loko. Hindi niya kumain ng breakfast kasi need niya din uminom ng gamot later. Yung potassium chloride. More egg, more potassium. Hala. Meron kaming ito si Rambo. Aso Ninjano to. It's Ram Iyas dog. Ayaw na daw niya, ang daming hindi na kumakain. Tapos ikaw nagwe-waste lang ng food. Oh no. Ay naku. You hold this one. This one, papakain ko sa kanila. Without the chili. Excuse me. Pre, kapag kumain sila ng sili. Ganyan yung namin. Wedding picture. Paint. Drawing yan ng aming magaling na pinsan.
Wait.
Look. Hold mo siya. You need to hold it. Okay, wipe it your hand.
That one.
Wipe it your
Drinking water.
because they have a little bit smell fish, so he can drink. She will drink. It's already almost 10 o'clock. I mean, it's already 10.
Enough. Take that.
Yeah, you
I
wait.
need to drink water, right?
Oh, where's your water, man? Ito yung tubig niya parang bat. See how you will drink. Ayan, parang kulang na lang gatas yan yung laman. Right? If there's milk, that's hala ka. Same like he go back to hala. Ayan. Uy, nakakapasok na ng sasakyan. Baka ginawa na nila yung daanan.
What?
Maybe they already fixed the imbornal. Imbornal means the road that will connect from here to that, dam, like not dam, in the Garcia road. Isang hirap sa amin dito. Ang problema dito sa amin is yung road, kalsada. Lalo na ay, nako. Mga aso namin naghihintay. Kumain na sila. They already drink. Okay, guys. Hey,
Okay.
show my face, man.
Okay.
Oh, Roxy.
Roxy.
Put down. See how it's there. Wow. Rambo. Alay. Dito si
You go back. It's shaped like a kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
Mm.
Hala, again, he wants someone.
Mm. Mm.
My God, how is... I will give Koro... Ah,
Mm.
see? The fish. I'll eat is the leftover only.
Rambo.
Hanggang get. Whoa!
Mm.
Si Rambo, hindi niya mabuhat yung, he cannot carry his body. He cannot balance his body like that. What's this? It's
Okay,
chubby.
do.
Ah. No, I want the Rambo. We want the Rambo.
Rambo.
How about this one? See?
Mm.
My dress and the color of my dress.
Nescafe.
Rambo.
Mm.
Rambo. Rambo.
Mhm.
Stand. Oh.
Yuck.
Roxy. Oh, see?
Mm.
See Rambo.
Mm.
Rambo.
Mm. Mm.
Wait. Rambo. But see how he balanced. Wait. Roxy.
Mm.
Wow, see? My God, she's a girl. I'll eat some.
Okay.
Okay. Nice presentation, right?
Okay. Mm. Okay. You.
We need to say something. We
Okay,
need to
thank
end
you
of this video.
Thank you for watching our video.
And
Please subscribe our YouTube channel.
share, like,
Please.
give comments if you want something to say or shout out. Correct?
Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you and subscribe our YouTube channel Twohungry Travelers. God bless everyone. Bye.
Bye-bye.